Welcome to Nexus FMS, your complete, next-generation facility management platform designed to streamline property operations with intelligent workflows and real-time maintenance tracking. From the comprehensive admin dashboard, operations managers can monitor active maintenance quotes, assess live technician workloads, and immediately raise new work orders. Moving into the workflow maintenance pipeline, teams can track tasks across a structured Asana-style stage board from initial quotes directly to job sign-offs. In the Tenants and Residents directory, you can organize tenant contact details and maintenance logs in one unified space, while the booking link generator allows you to create secure, automated SMS and email links with custom duration slots for effortless resident scheduling. Managing your workforce and resources is just as seamless. The Staff Management module lets administrators configure shifts, duty statuses, and working rosters, while the KPI Performance Leaderboard provides real-time visibility into completed jobs, revisits, and technician rankings. With warehouse inventory, stock levels and low inventory alerts are tracked automatically, ensuring supplies never run out. You can also customize automated alerts, SMS gateways, and platform branding within system settings, and schedule service orders accurately across the team using the interactive maintenance calendar. Nexus FMS also empowers office personnel and on-site staff through dedicated role portals. In the office dashboard, staff can oversee team